whether you live in Syokimau, Rongai, Ruaka, or places where Google Map fears going like Kitengela, this bike is game. In Kenya, the 200 Discovery Tekken goes between 180 to 250,000, of course, depending on dealers and extras. For that price, you're getting adventure bike looks, 200cc performance, great fuel economy, low maintenance costs, parts that don't even require a pilgrimage to a dealership. Is it worth it? Absolutely. It's the motorcycle equivalent of that friend of yours who comes in sneakers, can help you move, and will still buy you lunch. It's affordable, tough, and unexpectedly stylish.